Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Picky Eater Assessment. What is a Picky Eater test? A Picky Eater test is designed to assess an individual's eating habits and their level of pickiness regarding food choices. Picky eating can sometimes be a temporary phase, particularly in children, but it can also carry through into adulthood. This can lead to limited diets that lack essential nutrients. The test consists of the dimensions of eating preferences, habits, and aversions. By analysing the responses, the test can offer insights into how selective or open someone is when trying new foods or eating a variety of meals. There are a variety of professionals who can use this, including parents, educators, and doctors who want to better understand a child's eating behaviour, identify potential issues, and develop strategies to assess concerns. How to use a Picky Eater test. The first step is to rate all 20 statements on a scale from 1 to 5. Then tally the scores. You'll then need to interpret these scores and develop an integrated plan. To view a sample assessment of our Picky Eater test, feel free to visit carepatron.com. You can access the template within our platform by the Community section and Assessment section. Type in the keywords Picky Eater to find the note faster.